How to make a logo with Midjourney. I'll show you the easy way of doing this, then I'll show you the more advanced way of doing this. So first of all, with the easy way, you want to type in the chat /imagine, click on imagine, then type in the prompt box, the description of your logo. So for instance, I want to do a football club logo. Go ahead and search that. That's the easiest way of doing it for a very basic one. And then for a more advanced one, you can go to ChatGPT, ask for a Midjourney prompt for a football club logo, and then you got more of an in-depth description here. You could do that. You can also ask for different prompts, but once you have it, copy it from ChatGPT, then again type in imagine prompt and then paste the prompt into the prompt box there. Then you can go ahead and search that. It should take about 30 seconds to a minute to fully load your picture. But when it does, for the first one I've got here with the basic football club logo, that's what it's going to look like there. Those look pretty decent. And as well, you've got the more advanced one down here. And then if you want to pick an exact one, for instance, I want to pick the fourth one here, just click on U4, so that's like an upgraded version of 4. And then eventually 30 seconds to a minute later, you'll get this one here, and you can go ahead and download it. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.